Let's have a look on distance and displacement. So the definition of distance is the total length of the actual path traveled by an object irrespective of its direction. It is a scalar quantity that has only magnitude. For example, if a person walks 3 meter east and then 4 meter west, the total distance traveled is 7 meter. After that, definition of displacement. Displacement is the shortest straight line distance from the initial position to the final position of an object along with its direction. It is a vector quantity that has both magnitude and direction. For example, if a person walks 3 meter east and then 4 meter west, the displacement is 1 meter west. Here in this diagram, the position A is your home and position B is your school. You are traveling through the red path, that is your total distance, and the direct connection from the position A to position B, the straight line path, is your displacement. Let's solve this problem. Problem says a particle is moving along x-axis at some given time. X coordinate of the particle is x equal to minus 4m. First it moves towards positive x-axis and reaches up to x equal to plus 6 meter. Then it moves along negative x-axis and reaches up to x equal to minus 10 meter. In the complete journey, find distance traveled by the particle and displacement of the particle. So this is the diagram, and the answer of question number A is distance traveled, that equal to AB plus BC, that equal to 10 plus 16 equal to 26 meter, and displacement, that equal to AC, and that is XF minus XI, that equal to minus 10 meter minus of minus 4 meter, that equal to minus 6 meter. Here the negative sign is for the negative x-axis direction. Here is another problem. A farmer has to go 500 meter due north. So in the diagram, AB is 500 meter, then 400 meter due east, so BC is 400 meter, and 200 meter due south, so CD is your 200 meter to reach his field. So the farmer wants to go from A to D, such a path. Now, what is the distance traveled by the farmer? That is your AB plus BC plus CD, that equal to 500 plus 400 plus 200, that equal to 1100 meter. Okay. Now, displacement, that equal to AD. So we know the Pythagoras theorem, and from there we can say AD square, that equal to AB minus CD square plus BC square. So root under 500 minus 200 whole square plus 400 square, that equal to 500 meter. This is the displacement. In this problem, a particle starts from position A and reaches the same point. Then you have to find the distance and displacement traveled by the particle. So the distance will be the circumference of the circle, so that equal to 2 pi r. So 2 into 22 by 7 into 14 by 2. As here 14 meter is the diameter, so radius will be 14 by 2. Okay, so after calculating we can get that the distance traveled by the particle will be 44 meter. And in the case of displacement, you have to remember one concept, that is, if the initial position and the final position of a particle is same, then the displacement traveled by the particle will be 0 meter. So the displacement will be 0 meter. So that's all for today's lecture. See you in the next class. Goodbye.